Okay guys, in this video we are going to create a Facebook fan page. Okay, now you may already have a fan page, you may hate Facebook, so if you don't want to create a fan page, don't worry about it. You can skip this video. If you've already got a fan page, you can skip this video. Now the reason we are creating a fan page is because we're going to activate some sales channels and we're going to connect Facebook to our website so that people can message us. We can have automated messages and we can set up a store, or this store will be directly linked to our fan page. So you'll see all about that in the next video, but I thought I'd add in a video of how to actually make a fan page for anyone that doesn't have one. So if you don't have a fan page or you hate Facebook, then you can skip right past this video. So what I'm going to do is hop over to Facebook and just show you how to create a fan page. It's super easy, super quick. And all you need to do is come up here, go to create page. I would go for business or brand here, get started. So I'm going to call this drone demo store. No, I'm going to call it drone commerce, in fact, just in case I actually use it. So category, let's see what, online internet marketing service. I'm going to call mine internet marketing service purely because I may use this page to actually promote this course that you're in now. But when you do it, I would go for local business, local service, one of those two. Okay, so I'm not a social media agency at all. Online internet marketing service. Okay, I'm going to add in my address there, my phone number. Okay, this is because of all Facebook's privacy stuff and that. Don't show my address, it's entirely up to you. Oh, page name, drone commerce, hit continue. Okay, just give that a minute to kick in there. Now basically Facebook will actually guide you through what you need to do to set your page up if it ever loads. Okay, here we go, add a profile picture. Now you can skip these steps or you can do them right away. You can change them at a later date. I always just skip through because I like to customize up my page. So add yourself a cover photograph. I actually have a PSD that I could drop down, which I use. In fact, I just manipulated it. I have this PSD here, which I use for changing my header all the time. I'll add that below this video, and I'll add a video of how you can use that if you want to use it. If not, add yourself a cover photo by clicking here. Okay, choose cover over, create a cover area, add yourself a profile picture like that. Let's just have a look at the settings and see if you should do any settings. Messaging platform page role. Yeah, I think most of the settings are absolutely fine. There's nothing special that you need to do. Let's go back to the page. So I will finish off creating this page, but really that is as easy as it is. So once you've got a page, you're ready to start posting. I'm going to do a video of all about posting on Facebook and some things you can do to build your brand awareness in your local area. Okay, so just make sure you've got yourself a page set up and you're good to go for the next video. Okay, thanks guys.